So, in today's lesson, we will study how to respond to questions about your hobbies. First, how do we usually ask about hobbies? Most people will learn from their textbooks these questions. Do you have any hobbies? Or, what are your hobbies? These are not bad questions, but they are not very natural. Many native speakers do not use these questions. Instead, they will ask this: what do you do in your free time? Or, what do you do in your spare time? Or, what do you do for fun? All of these are okay, all of these are very natural, and they basically have the same meaning. So we studied the different questions we can use. Now let's study some different responses. The easiest way to answer these questions is to use the I like blank pattern. For example, we can say, I like golf. Here, we are inserting a noun into the blank. So, for example, I like baseball. But we can also use a verb. There are two patterns we can use. We can say, I like to verb, and I like verb plus ing. Let's look at some examples. I like to play golf. I like to play baseball. I like playing golf. I like playing baseball. If you want to answer a little more strongly, we can add the word really before like. For example, I really like to play baseball. I really like baseball. Or we can change like to love. For example, I love to play baseball. I really love baseball. If we want to say that we like something only a little, we can add kind of before the word like. For example, I kind of like baseball. I kind of like to play baseball. We do not have to say like. For any hobbies, we can just simply say that you do something. For example, I collect baseball cards. So, my conversation would look like this. What do you do in your free time? I collect baseball cards. Or, what do you do in your spare time? I play video games. So, we do not have to use like for every answer. If you don't really want to answer the question, or maybe you don't have any specific hobbies, you can say this: I like hanging out with my friends. Or, I like relaxing at home. Let's take a look at some different popular hobbies. These hobbies you can use with the verb play. I like to play golf. I like playing tennis with my friends. I play computer games. Okay, now collect. I like to collect stamps. I collect baseball cards. Travel. I like traveling. I like to travel to new places and go sightseeing. Okay, go to. I often go to the park with my children. I like to go to the beach. Bake or cook. I like cooking. I like to bake sweets and cookies. Read. I love reading books. Okay, today's homework is very easy. In the comment section below, please answer my question using one of the phrases you studied today. What do you do in your free time? Here's my answer. I like to play with my children. My wife's hobby is spending my money.